Okay, this is Jay Harris with Infinitybox, and in this video I want to talk about our environment heating and air conditioning control system. There is no other electrical system on the market that has the breadth of features and functions as our Infinitybox system. With our system, our products help you cover your lights, your ignition, your starter, your cooling fan, your power windows, your power locks. We can control those through a switch, through our in-link key fob, and with our inTOUCH net module, you can control your entire car through a tablet or a smartphone or a touchscreen in your dash. Our environment heating and air conditioning control module gives you complete control of a Gen 4 from Vintage Air through a tablet or a smartphone or a touchscreen in your dash. So through one system, Infinitybox lets you control everything. Now before we get too far, you would only need our environment module if you're using inTOUCH net, you're using a Gen 4 from Vintage Air, and you want to control the blend, the temperature, and the fan speed through a tablet or a smartphone or a touchscreen in your dash. If you don't want to do that, you do not need to purchase environment. The other important thing is that we worked with the team at Vintage Air back in 2012 to create environment as an interface between our Infinitybox system and the Gen 4 from Vintage Air. If you're using other heating and air conditioning control systems, we do have some capability to integrate environment to those, but we really encourage you to reach out to our technical support team before you get too far. In the environment kit, you get the environment module, which is small and compact, and this mounts next to the controller on the evaporator from Vintage Air. You also get the interface cable that connects the environment module to the Gen 4 from Vintage Air. Environment gets its power through this cable and also sends the signals for the fan speed, for the blend, and for the temperature through that cable. Lastly, in the kit, you get this CAN cable that connects environment to the rest of the Infinitybox system. So, from the touchscreen on inTOUCH net, you can control everything about your heating and air conditioning system directly through the Infinitybox system. So when you move the slider for fan speed or for temperature, inTOUCH net, through our CAN network, sends a command to environment to tell Vintage Air what to do. And this would replace the 3-knob controller that you'd buy to control the Vintage Air Gen 4. So there is no system on the market that can get you that complete control of everything, including your heating and air conditioning. If you would like to learn more, if you have questions, give our team a call at 847-232-1991. Or check out our website at www.infinitybox.com. If you like these videos, please subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified when we post newer videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.